I am at the Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd take a look at their candles and just kind of stroll around here in the vase aisle to see what they have new. So let's take a look, guys. So I'm not noticing anything new as far as the candles go. They did have these that say whiskey and cognac. So they did have those, and they did have these right here. Okay, so this one says jasmine water, and then they have the incense snuffer. So they do have these candles right here, and they have the packs of the tea lights. These here we've already seen. I don't know, somebody stuck that on there, but they normally come like this. Succulent agave. Then they have these candles are still here, so they come in those colors. And then they have these that say caramel apple, moonshine. This is double caramel, orchard black currant. So I'm not sure if those are new to you guys, but that's what they look like. Then they have this. This is spiced pumpkin. I'm wondering if that's old stock. And that one says spiced apple. I like the way these candle holders are shaped. I really do. One over here says sea salt breeze, and it's in the darker blue. Okay, then they have see the good. Look at this candle. Isn't that cute, guys? Life is sweet, and it has like an ice cream cone in it. That's nice. Then this one has the donut one right here. And then they have these, and then they have, this is coconut mango. So yeah, this one's coconut mango. So I wonder if these scents are new. Not sure, guys. Then we have the fabulous and good morning with the lashes. Isn't that adorable? And I'm loving the shape of this. So this says salted sea glass. Then they have these that say crown. I know those have been here for a while. And then this one, country peach. I just love those mason jars. Aren't they adorable, guys? So then they had these. I think I showed them the other day. This is suede and amber, citrus, sea salt. This one is oat moss and myrrh and marine moss. And then these color candles we've had. Down here is the essential oils and the potpourri. Here we have the incense sticks and the different scents and the tea lights and the different scents. Here are the essential oils: vanilla, fresh linen, black cherry, apple cinnamon. So that's what they have there. They have the little wax melts in the packs over here. And then they have this, like this reminds me of, Thanksgiving collection. So, but the colors, are nice depending on your decor. You can fit them in there. What I'm liking is that they bought these back. And then these tea lights right here say changing color. So I'm taking that these don't change color. These are just the regular white ones. Then they have these candles here. Those are normal here. They have the star ones. These are so pretty, aren't they? Very, very feminine. And there they are in this blue color. So then they have more of these married candles. Eat, drink, and be married. So I think they're just bringing out old stock. This one says roasted marshmallow. I wonder how that smells. So then they have these candle holders. Aren't they beautiful, guys? These candle holders. I love those. I'm absolutely loving those. So those are still here. And then you have your regular candles here. Then they had these that came out. This one has the donuts. This one's cupcake. What is that one? And this one is macaroons. I like those. Remember when the apples came out, guys? I absolutely love these. So here is the green, the red, and the white. I love those. Those are really nice. They have the fishbowl vases. They have these, and then they have these candle holders. They have the heart-shaped glass. And then they have their regular standard square ones. These are the star shape. They have these candle holders, which are really nice. And then they have these iridescent ones. I don't know if you can tell those. Then they have these right here. This is the rose gold. And then they have the regular gold. And then back here is the silver. So those are really nice. Then they have the pumpkin ones. This is what I mean. I think that's old stocks or not. This I never seen. These are the frosted glitter ones in pink. They have them in blue, white, and that green. Then they have those candle holders. Then these have already been out. And then these down here. You have the natural raffia and the moss balls and the moss stones. So these are your fishbowl vases. So here they have like a box of succulents. See guys, I've never seen this dark one here. It almost looks black. Okay, so they have some of those. Then here you have the pebbles in the sea glass, the sand. They do have some gemstones there in the red and the blue and the white and the crushed glass. They have the crushed glass in the green and in the pink. Then you have your seashells over here. You have your white stone, marbles, these rose tea lights and stuff. Okay, so up here you have the color jars, and then you have your vases. So the vases look like they're pretty stocked up. I'm absolutely loving the chalkboard one. And here's the fluted ones, and here's the regular one. Then they have this shape, which I think is really nice. Then they have these right here. And they have these magnets. Bless this home. We love because he first loved us. The greatest message ever heard came from the empty tomb. Oh, that's nice. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Give thanks. I love those. All right, guys. So in the bottom here, you have some Spanish moss. You have this black plaque that has the hook with the keys. Then you have this love carafe, and then you have these vases, guys. Then you have these, guys. Plant a garden and watch it grow. The best things in life aren't things. That's very true. Yeah, more hanging decor. Don't worry, be happy. That's cute. So then they have some more vases along the top over here, some fluted stuff. These are the vases that I was showing you, I think, earlier. So those are really nice. A nice nautical theme with those. And these say Happy Mother's Day. Did you see this, guys? This is my first time seeing these. So they're starting to bring out the mom stuff. Then here you have a little bit of floral section here. And here's a sun catcher. Guys, this looks like a unicorn. I think they're all that way. No, this is a rainbow. Your stickers. Here you have the Paw Patrol, and this one is Bloom Where You're Planted. I love that one. Stay humble, work hard, and be kind. So here you have your fans, and then you have your ribbons over here. I'm loving these chalkboard wooden stakes. Isn't that nice? Then you have your floral tape right next to that, and you have your butterflies. For DIYs, you have dragonflies, and you have these decorative birds. So I decided to try this glitter glue, and I'm liking how the results of that. So I would recommend those now that I've used them. Then you have your glitter markers and your regular glitter, and then you have your liquid adhesive over there and some other beads and pearls. Okay, they do have these reclosable Ziploc bags, and here are the glitter packets. Then you have the flower. I'm loving these borders, guys. I think this is so pretty. Okay, and the birds, and then we have some of these things here and some pop-up stickers. Those are the magnets, and these are the dot fasteners here. So I'm loving this stuff, guys. So it looks like that's all that's new. They do seem pretty stocked, guys. So thank you again for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I will see you guys in another video.